Hello YouTube, it's Tam Tam here with my sons Travis and Jacob, and we went to Toys R Us today and we found the Friends Lego set. I have been a huge fan of Friends for many years, and over the last couple of years we have been watching the 10 seasons together.
That's just been through this.
It was just 2019?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
So, I guess it hasn't been a couple years, 2019, but it's sporadic. We only watch a couple episodes here and there while we're eating dinner and stuff. So, we're on the last season now. I think we are about halfway through it. So, we'll probably end it sometime soon. But my boys, when they released, or not released, but when they announced that there was going to be a Lego Friends, they were like, Mom, we have to get it, we have to get it. So, here it is. There was like 4 on the shelves today, so I bought it, and we're going to build it together with you guys for part of it, probably not all of it, because it could take a long time. But I'm opening it up. Yeah, I sliced it open without Travis knowing.
It's going to.
So we got.
So this is package 2.
Bag 2.
This is bag 1. Pause out.
And there's stickers.
Live tonight, Phoebe Buffet, and some other little stickers that will go on somewhere. So I'm going to put them over here so they're safe. But bag 1, I think I said already.
Might have.
And bag 3. And bag 4. And bag 5. And bag 6.
Another bag 1.
Or is that a 7?
No, that's bag 1.
That's a 1.
Why would there be 2 1s?
I don't
Because. They do that
Alright,
sometimes.
there's 2 bag 1s. I am
And-
now officially
And there's
scared.
the instruction
Instruction
manual.
And so let's close this up nice and gently, boys, because the box will be. I don't normally let them save their Lego boxes,
But this
You
one
do it
will
anyway.
but I think this one will be saved, so we'll just slide that to the other end of the table. And the manual. This is
be a really big one.
a very thick manual. I don't think I have seen a manual this thick yet.
I have.
Should we read the thing about the person that.
But then again,
the set?
they don't share a lot of theirs with me. So it says, Lego Friends, the television series.
This was a Lego Ideas creation, so it was made by someone who wasn't actually part of the Lego group.
And then Lego built it.
Why do I need a Lego app?
It doesn't. You don't need it.
Oh, that's for digital
Oh, you get the
instructions.
building instructions online. So if I ever misplace this instruction book and it gets broken, I'll be able to find
But we're not planning on that.
them. But yeah, exactly. I don't plan on
Ooh.
losing it. What is this thing?
Oh, that's
That's
a tool
the
that
brick
you.
separator.
It's a tool. It's
You
in the
put
back.
bricks together that you
One.
didn't want together.
Very cool.
can
So
tell
if we
them
make a
more easy.
mistake, they give us a tool.
Yep.
Oh, Travis doesn't like where I put my other bags.
No, I'm just moving it out of the way so we have more table space.
This is about the
So,
show.
Central
about the
Perk.
characters.
For those who watched the show as it aired, it's hard to believe that Friends is now 25 years old.
Yeah, that could be wrong.
No, it's not wrong. It is 25
Oh.
years. The American sitcom aired for 10 seasons from 1994 to 2004, depicting the lives of 6 friends living in New York who spend a lot of time hanging out in a coffee shop. The show premise is fresh, innocent, and appealing with plenty of mileage. Take him away from Lego.
Okay, but nothing's out yet.
Puppy.
Oh, they fight over the puppy all the time. So there is escapist, fun, and gags plenty as the comedic ensemble of Rachel, Ross, Joey, Chandler, Monica, and Phoebe negotiates the twists and turns of adult life. But the show also handles relatable issues: love lives, jobs, family, success, failure, how to live your life, and of course, friendships. It is comedy with a story and a heart, and easy for all kinds of audiences to connect with. The reason why the show's reruns still have great appeal for all generations. This Lego idea set pays homage to the coffee shop Central Perk, where the characters spent time together, but with the added layer of it being in its television studio set form. Created by Amaric Fiviet in collaboration with the Lego Ideas team, we think it's a brilliant tribute to the phenomenon of Friends. Enjoy this show. So, here is a picture of the Friends cast very early in the seasons.
This is based off of season 1.
So I'm not going to read about every
But it does have a
character, but it has a list of the characters. So there's Ross, there's Monica, there's Chandler, there's Rachel, there's Joey, there's Phoebe, and there's a Gunther
designer
as well.
That's the
The fan designer.
That's the picture of the designer.
Meet the fan designer. America Fivet lives in Normandy, France, and has been working in the computer industry for a decade. An extreme cinephile, he is passionate about series, movies, and cartoons, as well as Lego products. Yeah, of course. I played with Lego. Put the Switch away, please. I played with Lego products from a very young age and collected many sets. My collection is still evolving, and I am particularly interested in the minifigure series. One of the sets that stays in my heart is the 6991 monorail transport base. I know that one. Very good childhood memories of this set because it combined my 2 favorite activities, the circuit and space. So there's a picture of them. I'm not going to go on and read anymore because it just kind of seems boring. The Lego designers, well, we don't need to know about them. Then now we're into the French
again. Oh wait.
Stuff. Now we're into another language that I don't read. Here we go. Building.
Bag 1.
Bag 1.
We'll have Gunther.
Alright.
So why do we have 2 bag 1s?
Because
they couldn't fit all the parts in one bag.
Probably,
okay,
yeah.
Can you grab out the bigger scissors?
Bag 2 has Rachel. Bag 3 has Joey. Bag 4 has Chandler. Bag 5 has both Ross and
Phoebe?
Yeah, Phoebe.
You would think they put Monica
and then
Ross
bag
together.
6 is Monica.
Alright, so bag 1. I'm gonna go with this bag 1 first.
You have to open them both.
I will open them both. Relax. You think this is my first rodeo?
Yes.
You're not. Lego has been around longer than you guys.
I know that.
Yes, make it bigger. And Gunther, for some reason, has Luke Skywalker's name.
Just buy it.
He's Gunther. Which I think is really cool that they've added Gunther in. So this is that weird tool thing that we were talking about. Okay, children,
What? I'm just sorting out some bricks.
They're not excited at all, are they? Wow, there's only one piece of Gunther in here.
That's because the rest are in the other bag.
And his torso. Not even the broom.
All right, Travis is color coding our pieces, I guess. And inside of bag 2 is another bag. Or bag,
all the tiny
bag
pieces.
2 of bag 1, that is. Oh, there's a Gunther head. There's a Gunther broom, which I find kind of interesting because I don't really remember him sweeping too much of the cafe. But hey, and there's a a Gunther's legs.
Gunther's legs.
So
Oh, his hair.
his hair
Is
is in bag 3.
The tiny bag
Let's not
of
open that up
one.
until we sort the bricks.
But
Wait,
I don't listen to Travis because it's
What do you want, puppy?
my doing.
I love you. And stay away because we're building.
So here is his hair. So now, part 1 of 1. Well, not even part
Here's-
1 of 1 is done.
Gunther.
Yay, Gunther. Now, Jacob, can you do me a favor? Can you go into the Tupperware container, the Tupperware cupboard, and get a little Tupperware container?
Yeah, that's probably best for the small parts.
Why is these not considered small parts?
I don't know. Then you would have to say that these are
Well,
the
that's
small
what I
parts.
mean.
I think they only do that for like the flat tiles that don't have that are
All
just
right,
like connectors.
that
and
wall will
stuff.
work. All right, so part 1 is we need
Just go ahead and start grabbing parts from the sorting that I've done.
this piece here, and we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this piece here, and it goes into a corner here. And then we need 3 of these here. And we need
Gunther always seemed to grab in the show.
2 of these.
No, actually.
No.
What you're going to need is one of these.
Yeah, but I need 2 of these too.
It says 1.
Oh, 1 of these, sorry. I don't know how to count, obviously. So then, this here goes this. Oh, that one's longer than the rest, so I don't want that one. I want these ones. I only need 3. I've got 3. That goes there. That goes there. That
Yep.
doesn't line up.
Yep. What do you mean it doesn't line up?
Is this one staying over that? Like has to lap over?
That one.
But it goes
Yeah, they do that.
off? It
They do
doesn't
that.
show you that though. But alright. Alright, so that was step
1 and 2.
1 and 2. Step 3
And 4.
and 4. Step
Gonna
3
need one of
is
those,
one of these
And
and
you're going to need a 1 by 2
Two from the
studded
smalls.
tile.
that's this, right?
Yep.
In
Yep.
black. Okay. So then this goes
No, wait. 1 down. Trust me.
Huh? Oh, like that?
And then the
And
other
this
one
one
goes
goes
down there.
this way?
Nope.
What?
It goes like this.
Like that?
You can see because it doesn't overlap.
Oh,
But it's underneath.
Good thing these kids are here because that does not look like that to me.
And she
so,
claims this isn't her first.
well, it's not. But so what we did is we put it under. Okay. So, step 4, we need this and this one. Right?
Let me see.
So does this go like that?
First,
I
you
assume
put it
so.
like that.
But why couldn't I just laid it there and then?
Because it's a lot more simpler and easy.
Okay.
So then you don't have to line
So
it
it's
up.
getting longer. I'm assuming we're doing the floor
Yeah,
Yes.
of the cafe.
we also do the floor of the outside.
The floor of the outside.
Yeah, just
Okay.
it has a little bit of just at the door, so
So we need that and we
No,
need
1 by 8.
We messed up.
What do you mean we messed up? Oh, he's getting out the cool little tool.
Yeah, we don't need the tool.
Or fingernails.
Because I'm pretty I'm so confused.
What are you doing? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20.
Then we're missing a brick.
What do you mean we're missing a brick?
If that's the right
1,
call.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Okay, that one's what it says. We need a 1 by
10.
1 by 8.
Oh, 1 by
But
8.
we only got a 1 by 6.
Well, what's this one?
I'm pretty
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This one's an 8. What's that? 2, 4, 6, 8.
Yeah.
Okay,
I'm
so
missing a piece.
how is that supposed to
Wait.
go?
No.
Never mind.
Ah, it was
I'm
blending
just
in.
blind.
Okay, so we need that one, and then we
We
need
need
this,
this.
right?
Yeah.
This piece here, is that?
No, that's gray.
Oh, that's gray.
The gray bits over here.
And it's a
How
10,
big?
This one.
1 by
2,
10.
4, 6, 8, 10.
I'll just put these back.
Okay.
But they're probably also by 10.
Yeah, let's start with that.
Okay, I see what you're doing. So, now, it's getting wider and longer. Now we need a gray 3 and a gray 10 again.
Got it.
So the 3 goes here.
Yeah.
There we go. And then the 10 goes there. All right. Page 30. Woohoo. So we need another square one.
Yeah,
And,
you're putting it under it.
and a weird triangle shaped one. That
It's a wedge.
goes,
It's a 2 by
It
it's a
goes
2
this
by 3
way?
wedge piece.
right?
Yeah.
Yep.
Just on the end. Oh, because this goes here. And then that goes
There.
there.
Mm-hmm.
All right. And then we
And
need
you're gonna need
another
another one of
floor
these.
piece. And it goes up
At
under.
the very end of those ones.
Under these 3.
So, this is what it's looking like so far. So, I'm thinking if we're going to do this all on video, it's going to be different parts. I'll try a half hour per video maybe. We're at 20 minutes now, so I hope this isn't too boring
I'm pretty sure this
watching
is-
us put it together, but I do know I'm excited for the friends in the end. So Jacob's liking Gunther over there because we haven't overly given him a lot to do, have we? How about
You could
you
grab
I do the
bricks.
minifigures.
I already
Start-
got these bricks.
look? You could look ahead and get those bricks ready. So this is going down this side, is it?
Yep.
Just to finish off our flooring here.
And this one.
Oh, goes across.
The next instruction.
Weird.
This one there.
So this pieces gave us a little bit of a gap there. So I don't know. Let's see what the
Possibly
next
wall.
page has to entail. Oh, a
Look at
tiny
those.
little,
These-
A red stud.
a tiny little red stud is coming into play, and that goes right here.
Yep. We need a
And then we
1x2.
need a 1x2 gray.
Yep.
That goes there. Or that is this one. Where does it
It
end up going?
goes here.
Interesting. We've added some color. Finally. All right, next.
We've already been building the floor itself.
Yeah, I see.
The tan bricks.
So the floor you think is the tan?
Yeah, it is.
Alright, so
Although those could be where like the counter
So
and
Travis
stuff go
is
over.
fitting us in here where this goes. Interesting. All right. Next. Ooh. We got these cool little ones that actually pivot. Not that you can see.
it's a
You
swivel.
open up.
Yeah, they open up and close. I thought that was kind of neat. We need how many of those?
4.
1, 2,
Jacob, can you
3,
grab 4 red
4.
studs? Jacob, can you grab 4 red studs?
And we need 4 red studs. Woohoo! And we need 2 of these thingies.
They're bright red studs.
And
And
Travis is putting it all in front of me. Let's not lose the red studs on the floor.
this one. Okay.
So, this here goes like this. Hold on, slow your pants down. This red one goes here. And then we use one of these. And it goes here,
Mm-hmm.
like so. And then you leave a blank. And then we need that one. And then we need this up here. And then we need another one of these fun funky ones that go here. And then okay, this here has to go here, right? And then the red stud goes on the third one.
Yep.
And then this here goes here. Oh, we're using another one of those. And then the stud goes here. And this here fits in here. This is kind of coolish looking now. This is
Thanks, Jacob.
something, how it's looking up. Kind of neat. So, step 14 is getting
Yep.
Oh, we missed it.
I got it.
okay. It's on there, I think. And then that goes on there.
And we're gonna need another one.
Another what?
just for right here.
Oh, it did call for 2 right there. Wow. 3 layers just on that side.
Quite a brick.
Oh, the wall is gonna be getting there.
Okay.
Okay, I have to be honest here.
You lost?
I'm starting to get a little confused, so I'm happy to have these children helping me.
Got those.
Because
Grab these.
I'm a visual learner, and these aren't really showing me the depth, and that would be my issue.
And I need 2 of these.
Okay, so Travis, let's work this and talk this out together.
This one goes over here.
Okay. And then
You're going to need...
this here?
No, you're going to need these 2.
Oh.
As you can see through the small black line right there.
We've never got these pieces before.
Yes, we have.
We have.
So it goes here?
Actually, the other way, but I don't see why.
What do you mean the other way?
It goes up like that.
Oh, lengthwise. Okay.
Lengthwise.
Then
And that one?
these.
I have 2.
Oh, he
Like
can
that.
do this one.
Alright. Here you go.
We can let him in
I have 2
on
in my hands.
Okay.
that. That's 2. And then this here goes
Like that.
Yep.
this way?
Uh-huh. This one...
And then these go like that. And there. And now,
So we just covered up what Jacob said was the start of the floor.
I thought it was, seeing how
The floor's
floor
gray,
looks
Jacob.
tan on the box.
Wonder if this is where the couch sits. No, it should sit. Is this the front?
This one...
The
It's,
couch is
couch
going to
sits
sit in
right
here
Right here.
because
That's where the couch sits.
it is because you can actually remove the couch from
The
it.
couch sits way over here.
Yeah.
Yeah, because this is the outside.
This is the door.
That's the door.
That's where the door
So
is.
should this be going this way?
I guess.
Technically,
So the couch will sit.
but
I am so confused, but I'm turning it back
Now,
the way it
yeah.
shows in the
Alright,
book right
alright,
now.
so
So,
then you can.
So do we have the
Close that.
16 ready there,
I
Jacob?
got this
No.
one and this one. Jacob, can you count the studs on this one while I go figure out what
This one here. 2, 4,
that's not a
6,
6.
8, 10.
This one's a 6.
Yeah, but you need
A 10?
2
by 14.
4,
No.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Yep, and that's probably. So you have a 6 and a 10 and a 14 and something.
Yep, this one's that.
One needed.
So
Okay, let's start off with these 2. This one right there.
well, hold on. This here has to go in here somewhere.
No, it doesn't. It doesn't. It goes right here.
Oh, it looked like it was going in there. That goes like that. Ah, and
this
then
one goes over here. While that one
goes
on
along here. All right. So we're turning over to 17. How many are there in this bag?
there. Probably quite a lot.
Wow. 20, 30.
30
So that's
steps.
bag 2, right?
Yep.
Yep. So 30
30.
steps. We're at 17 and almost at a half hour. So, all right. Next, you got that.
Well, another way you could split it up is make the first part the beginning that we read, and then the second part.
Well, no, because I don't know how to edit that way. So, what we've done is what we've done so far. That goes there.
Yep.
Wow, this just got interesting with these.
Mm.
We're now building on angles.
Yeah.
We're going to need 2 of these.
But why is it saying 2?
Yeah.
You're not
Oh.
finished.
Looks like I got something wrong.
No,
This one goes over
you're not wrong. It just
Gunther never
wasn't
seems
complete.
happy.
something wrong.
Well, Gunther wasn't happy in the show because he was in love with Rachel, and Rachel was not in love with him.
Well, we haven't finished the last season. He might get what he wanted.
Maybe.
Probably not though.
Who knows?
All right, now we're caught up. Look, we just start building on angles
The outside.
with. I don't know if you can
No,
see that too
don't
much,
scratch me.
but yeah. So, all right. So that's our first part. We are going to pause the the video, and we will be back in a minute to continue on to part 2 of this video.
Puppies.